am Bhagyashree AB. Implementation, dataset exploration. So for any research work, the first, in case of ML, machine learning, the first thing to be considered is the dataset. So I have taken the dataset from Kaggle. Coming to implementation, the first classifier I've used is KNN. Conclusion, the project mainly aims to explore the area of cybersecurity by showing a use case of detecting phishing websites using machine learning. So it aimed at building a robust phishing detection mechanism using these 4 techniques, which were efficient, accurate, and cost effective.
Security authentication for wireless multimedia network. The project was under the guidance of Dr. Anjan Krishnamurthy. Introduction. So what is a wireless multimedia network? So it's a network that contains different types of devices that communicate each other wirelessly, that sends and receive multimedia data, that is text, audio, video, GIF, etc. Design phase. Objective is to build a CNN model. The CNN model is trained using the training dataset, which is then validated or tested using the testing dataset. Then, so this is a CNN model without the noise. I built the model first without the noise, 0.79 with these Sybil attacks, and 0.9%, 0.9 and above percentage that comes for black hole attack, jamming, and explosion.
The refractive index of human skin, epidermis, and blood is used as an optical property for this experimental work. My solution to these Maxwell equation describe the scattering of electromagnetic plane wave by a homogeneous sphere. So I'm going to implement those DGTD method on these list of my scattering theory equations. Divergent solution obtained at the end of the simulation, and the total energy of the simulation volume is greater than the maximum energy injected into the simulation area.
So this is the detailed design where system architecture. We are, as I told, we are considering the drug consumption dataset, which holds 1,885 respondents. For each respondents, there are 12 attributes that are going to describe the individual.
My project is on approach for classification of mammogram images using deep learning techniques. This is the detailed design. This is the architecture diagram of the overall project. We have 4 different components. We have web page, Android application, web server, and PostgreSQL. When we feed the image to the convolution neural network model, what it does is it goes to the different layers. As I said earlier, it goes to the convolution layer, pooling layer, and the fully connected layers. In convolution and pooling layer, while training the model itself, it will extract some features.